We don't gatekeep over here, cousins. So let's get into this mascara that looks like a whole lash extension, big baby. And then we are taking my hair from this to this right here. And you will not believe how easy it was. Y'all, let's just get into it. So as you guys may well know, my everyday makeup now consists of concealer, a little dollop underneath each eye, over top of blush. I'll blend that in. Depending on if I need the makeup to stay all day, I may set. I'm gonna set today because I have things to what? Do. Okay. So that's it. That's all. That's literally what I do. Most times I do not wear foundation unless I need to make a big statement when it comes to makeup. Like if I'm doing something really, really special, I may do it. Other than that, Now, this right here is what I want to talk to you about, baby, because this is for my cousins who have tried and tried to get with like the putting the lashes on and all the things, and y'all just like, girl, send help. Okay, I got you. This right here will make it look like, turn to your neighbor and say, look like you have whole lash extensions, okay? That I ain't lying. You just put the gel on first, okay? And then you put the fibers on, you know, it'll be held by the gel. And then you put the gel on again to hold the fibers, to lock them in place. You do that as many times as you want to for your own length and volume desires. Okay? And what it is just adding these fibers to your lashes, you guys. So you can have them as long and ignorant and as thick as me if you want them to be, big baby, okay? These are waterproof, long lasting. I wear mine for like a week, y'all. I ain't lying, but it washes off with warm water very easily. It's hypoallergenic, you guys. Come on. Look at that. Look at the difference between the eyes, baby. One of my eyes is immature right there. The other one is full grown. You understand where I'm coming at with it? That's all I do. When I want to make a little statement on my face, but I don't need to be hooping and hollering, that's it. Okay? So if you have not yet mastered the lash extension thing, I got you. Now let's get into this hair. You know I got a little grit now. I can do some little plaits in the front. So where I would normally do rubber bands right now for the length of my hair in the front, I'm going to do plaits just because my hair is very fine, as y'all know. So the less that I can do rubber bands along my front perimeter, my front hairline, that's just the better for me and for my hair. Okay. Now, so I'm doing the basic illusion. Y'all remember our illusion crochet, right? I'm just gonna go back as far as I can, and then in the back, I'm gonna go, when I reach the back of my cut, it's gonna get really short, and I'm just gonna rubber band that back there because we're gonna do something in a minute anyways. So all that's gonna be covered up. All of this that you see right here, this is gonna be covered up. This is what we call foundation, which is just as important as what is seen. You gotta make sure it's secure. You gotta make sure that it is secure. Look at that. Look at that. Honey, it's over with. Now, you can use the bands all the way. And let me say this too. You guys don't have to use this particular method. If you have a head full of hair, just use our other methods. You know we got 50-11 of them. Go to the Crochet Braid playlist. You already know what time it is. These are just hacks for people who have short hair like me. So, you know, we have to do other things because our hair is short. But that does not mean that we can't style and profile, all right? We can wear these styles too if we want to. You think we can't when we can? Yes. We just may have to come at it. We may have to approach it a different way. Now, this is a word. If you truly listening with your right ear, you got to understand it's about the way you approach it. That will give you the security, the styling, the versatility that you so desire. But it starts with that foundation, okay? That's all I can say about that. Because some of y'all want to skip to the style, and now I can preach this if I want to. Now I can preach this, let me get back to this. So, you know, as I went on back, I just started to band it because it's quick, you know, it's quick and I can do it. But you see that short, that part back there is real short and it's not connecting to anything. It's just a bandit, right? You see that right there in the back? It's just some freestyle rubber band puffs. All right. This hair right here, I found this and I was like, let me see. It seems like it's made from really high quality. It's handmade. Y'all, it's very, very soft. I was not expecting it to be as soft as it is. And basically these are boho braids, but there's a lot of hair. So it gives you like Bora Bora. You know how Bora Bora braids are? There's a little bit of a braid and a whole lot of hair. That's kind of what it gives you. It's not braided down super long. You know what I'm saying? So it's braided down a little bit, and then you have your wavy hair, and then you have your, you know, your pieces that are coming out of the braids. It's very pretty. It's very pretty hair, y'all. You know, this part right here, we on our Get It Girl Get It. If you are new to this, then ask your cousins in the comments, what is Get It Girl Get It, and they will let you know. Yeah, so that's all we're doing right here. We're just crocheting our boxes. Now you can have as little or as many boxes as you want to. It just depends on how full you want it. Again, if you have a head full of hair and not like shaved sides or shaved back, then obviously your finished style is going to look different than mine because I have a haircut. So, you know, do what you need to do for your head, your domology, your hairline, and all the things. See, because we are trying to retain that thing. All right. Now, this for the part in the back. Now, the cap is, I just have the cap over my whole entire head so it can fit snugly. But those pieces that's in the back, we are just going to crochet up under the rubber band and through the cap. I'm going to crochet in a circle, but not around my whole perimeter, just around that section in the back, okay? And then I'm just gonna crochet a few pieces within that perimeter. Okay, so just imagine the section in the back that was too short to connect to my boxes, and I just have a land of puffs. So we're going to crochet around that land and a few times inside of the land. All right, but we're not going over the whole head. That is only so that the cap fits snugly. We about to cut that cap. Y'all know this method. We about to cut all this off. This is Tatiana's method. So we about to cut the excess cap off. The front part, we were able to just do our illusion crochet, right? The back was a little bit more ignorant because it's short. Again, you don't have to do this if this is not the length of your hair. You know, you just crochet and be through with it. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta do that. All right. This is just for us who need to do it. I'm just, you know, you can have the style, but your end result may look different depending on your hair. Now we just cutting the cap, that excess cap, and the rest will stay. Now don't cut in the braids or anything like that. Just pull the cap out, and the cap that you can see, snip it on around that perimeter. That's it. That's all, y'all. That's going to give you the look that you so desire. If you have a full head of hair, you know, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like a full crochet is what I'm trying to say. Okay. That's what I'm trying to get to. But as for me and mine, my style is going to be a little bit different because, you know, my foundation is different. But that's it, y'all. This is a really cute, affordable, no fuss kind of style. If you need a style for a couple weeks, bam, nothing too serious. It's very light, very soft, so you can finagle it any sort of way that you want to finagle it. But y'all, I was loving this. My husband loved it. It was definitely a hit in this house. Let me know if y'all gonna try it. Let me know, y'all. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling this one. All right, peace, love, light.